Welcome back to Car Reviews, the channel where we explore the most exciting vehicles on the planet, from everyday rides to ultra-luxury machines you probably never knew existed. Today, we're diving into something truly next level, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a rolling palace that completely redefines what it means to travel in style. At first glance, this motorhome doesn't look like your typical RV. The exterior design is bold, muscular, and unmistakably premium, featuring aggressive styling accents, massive black alloy wheels, and sleek LED lighting that gives it a futuristic presence on the road. Everything about it screams power and luxury, from the glossy paint finish to the signature Brabus badging that signals elite performance and exclusivity. Under the hood, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome packs serious muscle. It's powered by a heavily upgraded turbo diesel engine delivering impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring this massive vehicle moves with surprising ease. Whether you're cruising highways or climbing steep mountain roads, the motorhome provides smooth acceleration and strong stability thanks to advanced suspension tuning and intelligent all-wheel drive capabilities. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior feels more like a 5-star luxury suite than a vehicle. Premium leather covers nearly every surface, combined with polished aluminum accents and ambient lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The spacious living area features reclining lounge seats, a large smart TV, surround sound system, and a fully integrated digital control panel that manages everything from climate settings to lighting and security. The kitchen setup is equally impressive. You get high-end appliances, including a built-in induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, and elegant storage solutions designed for long-term travel comfort. Every detail is engineered to maximize convenience while maintaining a sleek and modern look. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom area offers a queen-size bed with premium mattress support, soft indirect lighting, and large panoramic windows that bring in natural light. There's also a fully equipped luxury bathroom featuring a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and high-quality materials that feel straight out of a luxury hotel. Technology is another standout feature of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome. It includes advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, 360-degree camera monitoring, and smart navigation designed specifically for large vehicle routing. Additionally, remote connectivity allows owners to control many functions through a mobile app, including temperature adjustments and power management. Speaking of power, the motorhome is designed for extended off-grid adventures. It comes equipped with a high-capacity battery system, solar charging options, and intelligent energy distribution that ensures reliable operation wherever you travel. Of course, all this luxury comes at a premium price. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is aimed at elite buyers who want the ultimate travel experience without compromise. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement combining performance, technology, and unmatched comfort. That's it for today's review on Car Reviews. If you enjoyed this look at one of the world's most luxurious motorhomes, make sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what vehicle you want us to review next.